Is GPT-5 Nano also incredibly slow for you? It takes forever for your request to return a result. Whether you're making a web app or doing anything else with the API, don't worry, you are not the only one. This is a common problem. And I'll show you actually. Here, if we look on Reddit, people are even asking about it. Trying GPT-5 Nano. Is it me or is it super slow? And all the people in the comments are even confirming it, having the same problem. I actually got the solution for you. It is super simple. I got my request down from 38 seconds. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit. 38 seconds all the way to 7 seconds. So that is way quicker. Before users, they would just leave the app because they think it's non-responsive. And now they just get a quick response. So looking at the website of GPT-5 Nano, OpenAI even advertises their model as like the quickest, the fastest, the newest stuff. But when you try to use it and implement it, it is super slow. And I wanted to find out why that happened. So I took a look at the documentation, and there's actually a thing called reasoning effort. And GPT-5, it's a reasoning model. That means that before it is writing your response, first it's doing like a whole bunch of thinking, and that's called reasoning. And you can set how much you want it to think before it returns a response. And by default, I think for Nano, this is set to medium. And like I said before, that meant that it would take 40 seconds before it would return a response. And if you are asking just simple questions, you can easily set this to low or minimal. You'll get a way quicker response. It doesn't need a whole lot of thinking, and the quality will just be as good. So that's exactly what I did. Here I have a function, a call to OpenAI, and I didn't have the property reasoning effort in there. So it was making a call like this, just with the messages and the model. And it took 40 seconds. And now I just simply added this prop in there, and I set it to minimal. You can also set it to low, or if you want even better responses, you can set it to high or medium. And I deployed it, tested it again, and here in the logs I logged like the timing of my request, all the phases of it. I found out, oh, it went from 38 seconds all the way to 7. And here I'll show you an example. It is for the website that I made to analyze Reddit posts for your business and to see what's relevant for it. And the analyze post would took 40 seconds. I'll do a reload and we'll get some new posts, 39 posts, and then I'll click on analyze posts. It will do it in batches of 20. And first a batch of 20 would take almost like a minute, and now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there we go. It analyzed 20 posts. So it's way quicker, and now it's actually usable for a user. We can also have a look at suggest comment. There you go. It takes a couple of seconds and you get a sample comment you can post on Reddit. Before this would take a minute, and even I would like leave the website and think it's unresponsive. So yeah, that's how you do it. Simply add reasoning effort to minimal for your GPT-5 Nano request, and you'll speed up incredibly a lot, from 40 seconds to 7 seconds. I don't even know, it's like 5 times as fast or something. So yeah, drop a like, hit the subscribe if you thought it was helpful. Leave any questions, I'll answer them for you, and goodbye.